Welcome to Piano Video Lessons Year 1, Unit 3, Lesson 10. This is video number 42 on YouTube, and if you click the information card in the corner, you can come on over to Piano Video Lessons, where we've got everything, pianovideolessons.com, where we have everything that you need for these lessons. So in this lesson, we're going to be learning to play Scarborough Fair, and we've talked about the idea of sharps before. When we've been playing our pentascales, we learned to play them in the key of F, and we learned that that one had a flat in it. In music, we have three kinds of accidentals. We have flats that are shaped like this, we have sharps that look like a hashtag or a tic-tac-toe, and we have a natural sign which cancels out the sharp or the flat. So what a flat means is to move down a half step, and a sharp means move up a half step. So to be clear, what I'm saying is that D could move down a half step to D flat, and D could move up a half step to D sharp. So in either case, we're moving to the very nearest key, black or white. In this case, it's black. If we move from D to C, this is bigger than a half step. It's a whole step, and it's called a whole step because we've skipped over one key, one black key. If we move from D to E, this is also a whole step because we've skipped over one key, this black key. If we move from E to F, is this a half step or a whole step? Did we skip over a key? We did not. So this is not a whole step, it's a half step. Now from F, we could go up a half step to F sharp, we could go up a whole step to G. From F, we could go down a half step to E. And so up means going higher and down means going lower, and a flat is a half step down, either white or black. So this is F and F flat, we usually call this E. This is F and F sharp. So if I were to draw the note F sharp on the music, if I could draw an F here in the treble clef, I would put a sharp in front of it like this, and you see the center of the sharp is in the same space as the center of the note. Now, we don't need to color in the sharp, we just draw it like this. We do not draw the sharp after the note, we say it after. So we would call this note F sharp. And the sharp, written here with the note, lasts until a bar line cancels it away. So if we are going to play this piece of music, this Scarborough Fair, what you'll notice is that there is an F here on the second line with a sharp in front of it. If there were another F in that measure, we would continue to play it sharp until the bar line canceled it. There is no other F in this measure, so it doesn't continue after that first note. So to play this piece, we're going to think in 3/4 time. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can count and tap hands right and left for this whole piece. The only tricky measures are these two here, where it changes hands mid-measure. So we know we're counting to 3. We start with 1, then we have 2, and here on beat number 3, the right hand has a quarter rest so that the left hand can play on that beat. And here in this measure, we have 1 at the beginning always, and this is a 2-beat note, and this is a 2-beat rest. So 1, 2, and then on beat number 3, the left hand takes a break while the right hand plays at the same time. Same thing here, right hand plays for 2, then the right hand takes a break, and the left hand plays on beat number 3. So let's go ahead and give this a try. We're going to start with our left hand, finger 3, top line A, top student, A student. Then we have 2 on the bottom line, E. And at the beginning, we're going to hold and count. 1, 2, repeat. Then E 3 times. Now, next section is going to be B and then up, down, down. So we don't have to read every note, just B, up, down, down, 2, 3. Make sure you hold it for 3. Next line starts off with rest. So we can just say sh. And then we have E, G, A. Now which finger were we playing on E? from the beginning of the piece, you can see we're playing our 2 on E. So this is going to be finger 2, and then going a skip and a neighbor. So rest, 2, skip, neighbor, hold, down, E. Now here we are. We've just played the E. Next is F sharp, then skipping down to D and back to E. So here we have E, F sharp, D, E, 2, 3. So this is finger 2, 3. I've got my 3 playing on the black key, and then a skip from this black key down to D, skipping from F sharp down to D with our thumb. 2, 3. Now, if we can see, this is a line and this is a space. It's going up a fourth. We're going to end up with finger 5 here on A. And since this is a new line, it's hard to compare to that previous note. You can go ahead and write a 5 in there. So 5 on A. Hold, 2, repeat. Neighbor, hold, skip. Repeat, down, 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 skip, hold. A, 2, E. So here we've gone all the way up to our E, from left hand on 2 beats on A, 1, 2, and then E, down, 2, and C, down, 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 up, 2, 3. So it's equally important to know your note names as it is to know your interval directions and sizes. So I'm moving more toward reading by intervals as you learn your new pieces. At first we would always name every single note. Now it's super important that you can point to this note and know it's A, and point to this note and know it's B, and point to this note and know it's F sharp. But you shouldn't have to think about every note as you play it. You should be also able to move from note to note according to the distances that it's written. So I will just play this for you one more time, and here I go. One's piano, nice and gentle. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very nice. So in lesson 11, we're going to be learning about the staccato notes, and we're going to play a song called Tick Tock to learn this touch.